In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your property from Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to keep in mind before you permanently remove a listing from the platform. First, open your web browser and go to the official Booking.com homepage. From there, look for the Extranet login link. This is the partner portal that property owners and managers use to manage listings, availability, and reservations. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually located in the footer or under a partner or manage your property section. Once you're on the Extranet login page, enter your account details. This will typically be the username or email associated with your property account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the property you intend to delete, especially if you manage multiple properties or accounts. If your account uses two-step verification, have your device ready to approve the sign-in. Click Next to proceed. On the next screen, enter your password. If you've forgotten it, use the password reset option rather than guessing repeatedly, as too many failed attempts can temporarily lock you out. For security reasons, never share your login details with anyone and avoid signing in on public or shared devices. After you successfully sign in, you'll land on the Extranet dashboard. From here, navigate to the area where property-level actions are managed. Depending on your account layout, the delete option may appear within property settings, general info, or account settings. Look for a button or link labeled delete, remove property, or something similar. When you click delete, Booking.com may show a confirmation prompt and possibly outline any requirements you need to address first. Before you confirm, double-check a few important things. Make sure there are no upcoming reservations you're responsible for. If there are pending stays, refunds, or invoices, resolve those before deletion to avoid guest issues or compliance problems. If you're unsure about permanently removing your listing, consider temporarily closing availability instead. This keeps your data accessible while preventing new bookings. Deletion is typically irreversible, and once you remove the property, you may lose access to past analytics, messages, and settings tied to that listing. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you may receive an email summarizing the change. Keep that confirmation for your records. That's it. You've gone from the Booking.com homepage through the Extranet login and all the way to deleting your property. If you found this helpful, make sure everything on your account is settled and consider exporting any reports you need before you remove a listing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.